Have you ever wondered how architectural transformation shapes a city's identity? Los Angeles, a city renowned for its cinematic glamour and sun-soaked beaches, is also a treasure trove of diverse architectural styles. The city's architectural journey began with the Spanish colonial structures, a testament to its rich historical roots. As time progressed, the cityscape began to evolve, giving way to the sleek lines and minimalist aesthetics of mid-century modern designs. These architectural marvels nestled in the Hollywood Hills defined an era, marrying functionality with style. Today, Louisiana's architecture continues to evolve, embracing contemporary styles that blend innovation with sustainability. Yet amidst this constant evolution, the city retains its historic charm through careful preservation and modernization of its iconic buildings. This architectural transformation has not only shaped LA's skyline but also its identity, reflecting the city's vibrant history and forward-thinking spirit. Stay tuned as we embark on a journey through time to explore the architectural transformation of Los Angeles. The Hollywood Hills, a beacon of mid-century modern architecture. Here, clean lines and expansive glass walls harmonize with the natural landscape. Architects and homeowners have expertly navigated the delicate balance of preservation and innovation. They've maintained elements like open floor plans and minimalist aesthetics, while incorporating sustainable features and smart technology. This transformation has elevated these homes into a new era, while still honoring their mid-century roots. The Hollywood Hills stands as a testament to the city's architectural evolution, a blend of past and present. Venice Beach, where the old meets the new in spectacular fashion. Picture a place where charming bungalows, once quaint and simple, are reimagined into contemporary masterpieces. These traditional homes, nestled in the heart of Venice Beach, have undergone an architectural transformation, a metamorphosis of sorts, to accommodate the hustle and bustle of modern lifestyles. Yet, in spite of their modern makeovers, they have managed to preserve their unique architectural features. These remodels are a testament to the delicate balance between old and new, between preserving the past and embracing the future. It's a dance of design, a celebration of architectural evolution. Venice Beach bungalows, a symbol of LA's architectural dynamism where tradition coexists with innovation. Downtown LA, a canvas for innovative, adaptive reuse projects. This vibrant locale is where the past meets the present, with historic buildings being given a breath of new life. These projects are more than mere renovations. They are an artistic fusion of the old and new, preserving the soul of the original architecture while infusing it with modern functionalities. From old factories transformed into bustling marketplaces, to disused warehouses reborn as contemporary art galleries, these projects epitomize the spirit of adaptation and innovation. They are a testament to the city's commitment to preserving its architectural heritage while pushing the boundaries of design. Through these adaptive reuse projects, downtown LA continues to redefine its architectural landscape, merging history with the future. So, what does all this architectural transformation tell us about LA? It underscores a rich tapestry of diverse styles, the value of preserving history, and the imaginative spirit of its residents. In the City of Angels, every building has a story, a testament to the city's architectural evolution, a testament to LA,